What's up everyone, this is Khurram from iGuessWell and hope you all are having an amazing day. Today's video I want to make the 5 accessories that I have for the Tesla Model Y, and I want to make this on the Thanksgiving day because the Black Friday is coming up, it's tomorrow, and the EVBase is running the Black Friday Thanksgiving sale until November 26th. So you can use my code MyGadgets and you can get 20% off any accessories that you buy from EVBase. Now, let me walk you through 5 accessories that I wanted to talk about. This is the black Tesla Model Y long range 2023 model, and it did not look like this at all when I got it the first time. So I installed a couple of things on the Tesla Model Y long range in this black one. First thing I did, I replaced the wheel caps, the Gemini, those hubcaps, the silver one, with this EV-based RedLine, the caps that I have on all 4 wheels. And it kind of looks really good and complements the car with that red line because the whole car is just black. So I think this stands out. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about these wheels. And I haven't seen any efficiency loss or the range loss with these caps on. And I've been driving this car for last 1 year, and this is my regular commute car for the office every day. So this is how it looks with the red line wheel caps. Now let me show you another thing that I did, because even if you get the Tesla Model Y Performance in the black color, the spoiler, you can't even tell if it is there because it's like this carbon fiber material and it gets submerged with that black color. But with this red line addition, I mean, it really stands out, and it is the head turner. When you're out there, a lot of people look at the car. I've seen that on my Sentry camera that they're like, hey, this spoiler has the red line. So it definitely complements my black color Tesla. I didn't want to have overkill red on my car. I could have gotten the red color door handles, red color for the fender camera, but that will be too much red. So I just wanted to keep it subtle. So this is what I could come up with the exterior, just getting the red line for the wheel caps and the red line for the spoiler. And you can tell how good it looks actually. If you're in Texas, you have seen me on West Park Tollway. Um, Give me the shout out in the comment section. I have seen people talking about it that, hey, it's my neighborhood. So, I mean, this is how the car looks from the exterior. Nothing big changes, just the wheel cap replacement, and I have the rear spoiler. And I have the link in the description for the EVBase, and the discount code is MyGadgets to get the 20% off until November 26th, the Black Friday Thanksgiving sale that is running right now. Okay, so this is from the exterior, and also that louve. I don't know exactly how to pronounce that, but that's for the little window there. It also gives that kind of like I don't know, like death race kind of vibe to the car, but I mean, it looks good. I mean, as long as, I know a lot of people say that, oh, is it 90s? Is it like Civic era? I mean, whatever makes you happy. I mean, that makes me happy. So, I mean, I paid for that, and I'm like, why not? So that visor, the louve, or whatever you call it, I'm talking about that little thing there right there. It actually complements. And if you look at the wheel, how that design goes along, um, I think the way I got this black Tesla Model Y long range 2023, and now I think it stands out on the road. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think about it. So this is all from the exterior. If I'm talking about, the carbon fiber, let's talk about this as well. This is here just to give a different touch to the black Tesla Model Y. Especially if you have black one, you will notice that the whole car is just black. So you can't even tell, if there's anything here because the whole car is black. So this kind of stands out too. The carbon fiber, the covers for the fender camera, that is also from the EVBase. And let me show you guys inside now. Car is in the camp mode because it's really cold. Okay, so in my car, you can notice that I have the Apple CarPlay here. Tesla does not support that. So what I have done is actually I've ordered the Apple CarPlay device from EVBase, and it's connected right here to the USB Type-C. And over here, I have the Wi-Fi connected to that box that I just showed you guys, this one. I have the full video on my channel, and I'll put the link in the description so you guys can go and watch it. This is a pretty seamless connection, and this is the smart box right here. And that's how I have the Apple CarPlay connected to my Tesla Model Y. So I can use the applications like Waze, that is not available on Tesla applications. You have the YouTube Music, you can also get that. Anything that is supported on the Apple CarPlay is right here, including Google Maps. And you don't have to pay for subscription. If you're paying for Tesla subscription, you just can use your phone for the GPS for the maps, because now you have the Apple CarPlay like any other car that's out there. But if you have the autopilot, and I'm talking about the autopilot that's with enhanced feature and all that, you need the connectivity from Tesla. So you pay like $100 a year subscription and all that, and comes with that, the applications that are right here available to you. And you can use music, that is karaoke, and also you can use Tesla's own music software as well. I don't use that. I always use the Apple Music, or sometimes I do Spotify, and all of that is here. And also the Google YouTube Music is here too. So with this device, you can also get all of that, and it's a seamless process that I'll put the link in the description so you guys can check out. But I want to make sure to show you guys other things. So this is the headrest that I got, and it's pretty squish and comfy. And this is not just the headrest. Let me show you guys. So from the front, it is the headrest that's right there. I have two of them because the kids can sit in the back and watch their iPads. So it has this right here. This is the iPad holder. It can expand, and you can connect, and it can go like this too. So you can add the Apple iPad mini, Apple iPad Pro. It can fit up to 11-inch iPad easily, iPad Pro 11-inch. And this is pretty good. And also it gives me the comfort when I'm driving, because it's soft cushioned for the headrest. And this is also available on the EVBase. I don't like the other one that they have, but it's just a personal preference. There's Alcantara that you can get. This is more better for the stain, so I got the leather one. You can choose whichever you like, but they have this, and I really love this one. It can be, you can press this, it can go up and down. So that's one of the things. This is the armrest cover. There's so much in my car. There is cover here. There's all the stuff that you can find on the EVBase, but I'm going to show you the highlighted one. There is that um, the sunroof cover as well, the moonroof, or you're gonna call panoramic cover, that keeps your car cool in the summer days. So we're talking about summer days. Let me show you another thing that is there. It is the refrigerator. Yes, in the Tesla you have this little refrigerator. So right now I have nothing because it's the winter days, but it has one more feature that actually you can use it as a heater. So you press this cooling button. I'm thinking it's locked because of the kids. See, now it's on heat mode. So it goes from blue to like orange color because now heating. So if you're a mother and you have a newborn and you want to keep the milk bottles warm and all that, you can use it for it. Or maybe if you want to keep the food warm, don't put anything with the aluminum, or what do you call that, aluminum trays, or the aluminum foil. Don't use that because microwave and all, you don't want to do that. But other than that, you can keep things pretty warm in here. And if you don't warm, you can go back to the cool just with the press of a button. So see, now it turns blue. So it's winter days, I'm not using it, but it really helped me so much during my summer days. And the way it fits, look at that. It's just like something comes from Tesla. So it's perfect fit. So that's all I have from this video, guys. Let me know what accessory you like the best. And we're going to be doing some giveaways in the coming videos. So that's all from today. I'll see you in another one. Until then, peace out and stay warm and cozy.